हॅलो स्टुडंट, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इव्हनिंग. तुमचा जो समय चालू असेल त्यानुसार. सो स्टुडंट, हॅलो एव्हरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चॅनल सुनील मावजी एज्युकेशन्स. सो ए ॲज इन air, A as in air, air, air. Apple, apple. B as in bird, B as in bird, bird, bird. Bat, bat. C as in cur, C as in cur, cur, cur. Cat, cat. D as in duck, D as in duck, duck, duck. Dog, dog. E as in a, E as in a, a, a. Elephant, elephant. F as in fur, F as in fur, fur, fur. Fish, fish. G as in girl, G as in girl, girl, girl. Goat, goat. H as in her, H as in her, her, her. Horse, horse. I as in E, I as in E, E, E. Ice cream, ice cream. J as in the, J as in the, the, jug, jug. K as in cur, K as in cur, cur, cur. Kite, kite. L as in L, L as in L, L, L. Lion, lion. M as in M, M as in M, M, M. Monkey, monkey. N as in N, N as in N, N, N. Nest, nest. O as in O, O as in O, O, O. Octopus, octopus. P as in P, P as in P, P, P. Parrot, parrot. Q as in Q, Q as in Q, Q, Q. Queen, queen. R as in R, R as in R, R, R. Rabbit, rabbit. S as in S, S as in S, S, S. Sun, sun. T as in t, T as in t, 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 tiger, tiger. U as in U as in a, a, umbrella, umbrella. V as in V as in v, violin, violin. W as in wow, W as in wow, watch, watch. X as in x, X as in x, x, Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y as in y, Y as in y, yak, yak. Z as in z, Z as in z, zebra, zebra. So स्टुडंट, सीचा साऊंड कही होतो आणि सही होतो, परंतु जास्त करून प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन करत असताना सीचा साऊंड आपण क म्हणून करत असतो. म्हणून व्हिडिओमध्येही सीचा साऊंड आपण क घेतलेला आहे आणि सला आपण नंतर बघणार आहोत. फॉनिक साऊंड म्हणजे साऊंड ऑफ द लेटर्स, म्हणजेच ए टू झेडपर्यंत जे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट आहेत त्यांचा उच्चार म्हणजेच फॉनिक साऊंड. जसे की ए से ए, बी से ब, सी से क,